Una go don hear a lot of gists about this one on social media about a Burna Boy helping one guy where people still dey doubt say, she indeed, truly, him na Cubana Chiefpriest brother. But this one no go actually come alive if not for the platform of Lucky Udu, storyteller, video content creator on top of the social media platform, Facebook or Instagram, and he live with us on top of the Skype level. Good morning. One major question we did the mind of so many people. Now say, she truly you be Cubana Chiefpriest brother.
Yeah, he's my cousin, bro.
Okay. So, how we be meeting Burna Boy for the first time?
I know if you explain him, it's like a dream comes true, you know.
Okay.
Like when I deal with Baba Burna Boy, like I go to look him like, is this really you? I've been a film I dey watch. It surprised me like seriously, because if anybody tell me say me and Baba go dey, I don't believe him. Like seriously, surprised me.
All right. Lucky. First of all, no be the first time person could benefit largely from your platform and all the good works where you do with your storytelling, being the voice of the voiceless. But how refreshing this feeling be? Say this guy actually gets some financial empowerment from Burna Boy.
It sweet me die. $30,000. That's a lot of money, honestly.
If you go do the conversion, how much it be for naira?
That was almost about 50 million naira.
Wow. Just
yeah.
Wow. Now, a lot of talks there on top of social media concerning no help, I be help, whatever, because these people they know they spend the money well. You know the case of the fish pie guy, the fish pie king, where they go around on social media right now. People could just be very curious to ask Trita, your plans for this about 50 million naira within summer you, where they take empower you. What do you get for mind on how to take spend this money?
Business.
Business.
Yeah, business.
If I may ask, which kind of business?
Phone accessories. Yeah, because I done the Alaba for like 8 years now, repairing phones. So
thank God. Get one of my small tab. Our tab for them. Where you go follow us.
I don't carry screwdriver come.
But you don't carry screwdriver come. But go on. You did talk something. Yes, go on.
Okay, I done the Alaba for like 8 years now. So I dey see things where they happen. I dey see businesses where I suppose, venture into, but money no just dey. Shops they come out, they go. I don't try to run around for money to use rent, even if na apartment. Sorry, what is it called? All these small shops like container shop for Alaba.
Okay. Okay.
So, a lot of businesses there, but the one where they my mind, na phone accessories, such as downboard, screen, and power flares and stuff.
Okay.
So that my fellow engineers, when they come, they buy from me. Then, I feel still the repair. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so as you say, you don't get a plan for this money, and what you first sweet me and I say when I call you, say Alpha, what you don't do, you tell me say you do on top bike. Now that will first calm me down, because for starters, some people go first go tear bends, But when I call you, you say you fly bike to beat traffic, to be here, and so that one first calm me down. Say be like this guy never they rush, they spend this money anyhow, because we actually don't get a lot of stories on top of the social media where we say people go talk, say they help them, but there's back to square one. Do you understand?
God forbid.
And then Cubana Chiefpriest, your cousin brother, you said, if they doubt, say, Burna, they don't show any screenshots. You received the alert?
It wasn't a transfer.
Okay.
He gave me cash.
Wow.
In dollars.
So now you can go do the normal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So many people now don't they run from Lucky Udu.
Who they run? Who be the so many people? Maybe
for example, now Gege been talk say now only when bad thing been happen and they see you Say
Gege na person wey get sense. You no get sense now. Wetin anybody wey get sense go see.
yeah.
You see when e be like hospital.
Okay.
When person gets issue, like maybe person dey sick, you go go hospital make you go regain your health. E get some kind people wey be say dem dey the kind situation wey be say dem really need help, and nobody to really see say dem dey that kind situation. So the kind platform wey I get, we dey give hope to hopeless people.
Okay.
We dey give second chance to people wey really need am. You understand? So that is what we do, and what we do even goes beyond that. It's just unfortunate, you know, say the way in dey talk. I know comedians they like sweet things,
Okay, he don't
so
switch
I
to
feel
comedy
that's
now.
why
I think that financial expert or advisor him be.
you know they look the way that guy dey dress. The guy even be like person wey dey normal.
I
So
don't hear
to
say
me,
you know normal
I
from your
just
mouth.
feel say
Hmm.
no, me, I just think say maybe na comedy in dey do because of the way in dey dress.
Okay.
If he truly in be financial expert and in dey appear like that, then mean say that guy get mental problem.
Okay. All right. All right.
That's
So
my perspective.
all right. So Lucky, in for the first time where you do this interview with Trita, you believe him.
Yeah, okay, the first time
First time where you see him,
interview
where
Twitter,
you telling your story, you believe him.
before call, I mean, yeah, of course I did, because he showed me some, I think if I can remember very well, he showed me some chats
Okay.
between him and Cubana Chiefpriest, and we had some behind the scenes conversation anyway. What do you mean by I believe I'm now in talent they talk about I be in relationship with
In
Cubana
relationship
Chiefpriest?
with relationship with Cubana.
Yeah, he show me some charts and some other things wey make me believe say them they related. Even after that interview, sef, Cubana Chiefpriest come block am. We can't even dey think, we can't dey plan how one take travel go beg am together. Since that interview was not intended to hurt your reputation or to make it look like okay you're a bad person. Trita was only trying to get your attention. Cubana is a billionaire. These kinds of people are very busy people. So what Trita was trying to do is to get his attention. Trita believed that he had a talent in music, and he felt, okay, my cousin is doing very well. He's with all the A-list musical artists in Nigeria. If only I can get the attention of my cousin, that this music is my talent. So if you can give me the chance or the connection to at least future one of these persons, it will help me. So that interview was only directed to get Chief Priest's attention, but it was just unfortunate that maybe because he mentioned that he repairs phone, it was a bit embarrassing to Chief Priest, because that video really went far.
Of course, like so many of your videos, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he apparently blocked Twitter anyways. And we were both planning to go begging, but Twitter was a bit nervous. He was worried what the situation is going to look like if he eventually goes to meet Chief Priest, especially after the interview, considering that he got blocked by him. So many relatives reached out that why would he, make a video like that. But that video was totally harmless. If anybody in their right mind will watch it, totally harmless.
All right, Lucky. Uh, Between in your heart of hearts, right? Because so many people feel say that gesture from Burna Boy now like show off. You think say Twitter suppose collect that money from Burna? Yes, you did on now. You did on now. Okay. Hold on. We know they hear you. I would like call some of my people for here.
You can hear me now?
Okay, good. Okay, now you've been mute. All right, go on.
Yeah, I think which kind of question with that one? Whether Twitter supposed to collect that money, 50
Yes.
million.
Yeah, because some people they feel say na
Oh,
show off.
why should anybody be worried if you show off, or was that's a show of love? 50 million naira is a whole lot of money. Has anything like that been done in history before? So anybody who is worried about if you show off or not, I don't think I should be answering that question. What Burna Boy did from my perspective, is really wonderful. So I don't think we should be contemplating if it's show off or it's not. So I feel like this is a big show of
By show
love.
off,
And
I've been you know where the origin of the beef being starts. The shade between their two being kick off. Cubana been talk one or two, and then in reply, and then gbas and then of course this one, your interview been pop up. And one thing I go like know how you take discover them, because so many of your people on your interview, would you always they ask that question? How you take find this person out? How you take discover them? He reach out to you, or you just hear one or two? How una take link up?
okay, Trita reached out to me. That was it not last year, 2024? Trita, am I correct?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, he reached out to me and told me how he has been struggling in music, and I was even more surprised to hear that he's related to Cubana Chiefpriest. I told him to send me some of his music, and when he sent it, to be honest, I felt really inspired because the music really challenged my
You go
mind.
do
I
you
feel,
go
okay,
freestyle for
brother.
us. You go freestyle for us. We go get a little taste of that music. Go on, please.
Yeah, so I said, okay, brother, just come around. Let me give you a shot. So we did the interview, and yeah, it went viral.
All right. Now, so many people now, especially one major person, very dark man, even drop one talk for one of his videos. He say sense of entitlement. In the perceived sense of entitlement for your tone. What's your take on that?
Well, that post, I replied the post, sure. I reply am. I made a post. I made a video and replied the post. Though people say I no suppose even reply, but I don't reply because I don't reply. Okay, let me make it clear. My bro, my cousin bro, is a very good man.
Okay.
He's a very good man because I don't hear and I don't see what they do for people. Understand? So, and he's a very busy person.
Okay.
Also, so before you can get to him, you guys pray where. In fact, just go mountain pray so that he can remember you. So he's a very busy person. So and I said, okay, fine. Make I see whether Baba go tell my story, so that he go say, hey, yeah, bro, yeah, come. And I just waiting there in my mind. You know they owe me nothing. Me and I no do any business. We no sell any land, say we go share the money. Lie. Now just help at the axe. Understand?
All right.
And no be by force, no be must.
Can I say
go help
something?
me. Now just I beg. And the help now from music aspects, no be cash actually. Though if you give me cash, I go still collect because because you know go push sugar for anybody mouth, when spit them out. So now music aspect I dey ask the help from, because I know say if Baba help me, connect me, one of my track rain or more, I no go hungry again. Understand?
With this interview and then popular video everywhere, and then of course Burna Boy coming to your aid, what don't change for your life?
A lot.
The people around you, your lifestyle, your clothes, your family. Tell me about it. What did actually change?
A lot of things don't change, like seriously. The way my phone did the ring now, I was just there.
How many missed calls per day?
Ah, Jesus. Jesus.
Hey God.
Okay.
And since Lucky the smile, he must feel so proud because now waiting in platform day all about with this to ensure people life they changed and for the good. Yeah, go on. I just want to know.
The way my phone did it, like I don't even think about changing my line, but no need. Because that line now where I did receive customers.
Okay.
So many customers hold that line. So anything will make me change it now. It go affect me. So I not go take because of bills.
Okay.
Change my line. No, I won't do that. I go keep my line. If you call me, I go pick him. Normally, if you call, whether I save your number or not, I dey normally pick him. And I have to pick because when Baba Burna call me on video call, if you say I no pick him, my life will not change today. So I dey pick. Then it depends on wetin you want make we talk. If you dey talk well, we will talk. Understand? But if you can't dey talk about billing or more, I will tell you, say, bro, calm down.
When if people come, people don't come to ask for, me show them love, show them love.
Jesus. Some people say I don't dey threaten me, say if they see me for road. You don't see me for road.
But what if be the feeling holding $30,000 for a hand like this?
Even up till now, self, I never believe I'm like, if I did, I go check my balance. I say, wow. Not true.
The soup where you take the bath. Yeah, you be Christian.
Sure.
You pay tithe on top of them.
I never go to church, but I'm planning to go on Sunday. This Sunday, I don't tell my pastor, so we dey go.
Okay, make a change the question. You believe in tithing?
Yeah, I believe.
Okay. You go tithe on top this money?
Sure, I go give Thanksgiving. Not Thanksgiving I want to do.
Okay, you don't want to do 10%?
Not Thanksgiving I want to. Okay. Just to thank God for
just to
what
thank God
he did for me, yeah.
All right. They find trouble. I mean, one of the lines we bust my head. We Cubana Chiefpriest me talk say, he say make you give him a feature. If that one first day your mind.
No, I better go. I don't want to do past myself. I better go.
Oh my God. Okay, but whether or not today your mind, I want to make people have a feel. Make they get a feel of the artistry within inside you. You understand? So we go decide whether make you continue your phone repairing or make you forget about it.
No, sure. Music day. They come. No be me. I know they force myself. You just they come. So if you come, I they receive them. And why he's coming is because it's in me, not talent. But you know, go take because of say person don't give you some cash. You can't use them. Enter music. No.
No use the $30,000. Do music,
No.
Hey!
I don't suffer now. So
music,
I don't get sense.
Music, you know, go carry you go anywhere.
You go carry me go somewhere.
No,
but
I mean,
I'm not starting it now.
No, but you get what I mean.
I'm not doing it now.
When you say $30,000, this music of today, say not the promotional angle, the PR angle, the money will don't move.
No be lie.
Like this, it don't go.
I know.
So you know, say we there in the line now. If you drop bar now, I go pick them up for you. Mr. Get small freestyling capacity. Oh yeah, fire another there.
A freestyle?
Come on, give it to us.
I'm all how to tell my story, make you learn today. No hustle, we no go pay. Highest you go delay. Unless you go give up when you never reach the end. I'm on a who give up fuck up.
No use that line for radio. Continue.
I hope you not the blend. Polity back. Polity back my money. Polity back. Elele polity Polyteam back, polyteam back my money, polyteam back. I remove my clothes, of poverty. I dey put on my new clothes, prosperity. I remove my clothes, of poverty. I dey put on my new clothes, prosperity. Akanchawa ele, akanchawa ele, akanchawa ele, akanchawa ele, akanchawa ele, Akanchawa ele ele oh no obiano lele oh. Umunne mo, I go beat them like miraculo. I go count my money, men send all their oraculo. They no could stop our shiny,
Oh, yeah.
I go chop cause I don't hustle, oh.
Confirm.
Say I the single na mind, Oh, ya come make it chop no kulo, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. Celebrate, lele, politi, back, oh. Polythene back my money. Polythene back, oh.
A round of applause for him in the beauty. Twitter, what would be your last words? Anyway, you want to give shout out to, show appreciation for? The floor is yours.
Yeah. Shout out to Baba Lucky Udu.
In the air you right now.
Yeah. Baba Udu, now you get this handle, like seriously. Because if not because of Baba Lucky Udu, nobody go know me. Oh. Baba Burna no go know me. So shout out. So
wait, add Baba to Lucky Udu name. That's small man. Oh.
No, not be small man at all.
No, and not be say small man in terms of, but in terms of age, just I about to lie.
Baba no be small man. Oh.
You don't. Person never reach 30.
You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Even if your junior brother make him pass you.
No, not be about to make it now. I'm talking about his age now. Not be look at the lie. Talk now.
Now my Baba be that.
I don't know.
He say no. Why people? Wait, I want to ask. Why people know they like talk their age? Why? What's it happen?
No. Me, I've never been someone that shies away from talking about their age. Yeah.
So how old you be?
Less than
Lucky.
30.
Yeah, less than 30.
I'm 27.
27 here now.
Now my boss.
Continue, of course, I understand you. Go
So
on,
does that make me a small boy?
No, I mean in age.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh yeah, fire them, bros.
So shout out to Baba Lucky Udu.
Yeah. No, that Baba way they had. I said that small boy they had Baba to
I
name.
beg, make her the Adam. Maybe the humbleness make me reach your idea because if I know they call these people Baba sa, it will be like I dey show myself. So I beg.
Yeah.
Shout out to Baba Lucky Udu and a big shout out to Baba Burna. Baba Burna. Now it make me be who I be today. Now it make me get shop for A-Line, Alaba International. Before you get shop there, I paid for a shop there yesterday, 6 million. Yeah, for 2 years.
That's good.
I won't take do him if not be Baba Burna. So a big shout out to him. God bless him. Anywhere where the money from come out, make God return him 100 million thousand folds. And shout out to my brother. I love you so much, Baba Pascal Okechukwu. You're my bro. You're my senior bro. You're a good man. Understand? Now just attention I want. Not be.
And
say,
at last you don't get him.
Yeah, not be say I want for your hand or anything. I beg. Not the reason I go that side. I truly love you, bro. I beg. Forgive me, no verse for me too much. I beg. As in also one idea of bully Pico. I know you hear that one, but I hope you know talk with him. I'm talking to him. And okay. As in even one idea no. I just hope your words are safe. Yeah. So all right. Pico, yeah. All right. So one person see they very disturbed. Say, okay. First of all, they say you feel combine the two. Your phone repairing business and your musical career. Be like people actually believe in your talent after you do that freestyle. So, myself, I go also say continue. And I wish you all the very best. Okay. But invest wisely. That my own contribution be that. You fit also ask direction for some people, you understand. Lucky, we did very lucky say you deal with us on top of this platform, even though you know the year physically. But of course, people don't hear you, and then they don't also know more about your platform, the Lucky Udu platform. And I believe so you get foundation, right?
Yeah. Sure, we do. Lucky Udu Foundation.
Good. And then you did very committed to helping people, and then of course to give them a platform, a voice, so that their life will not ever remain the same for the good and not for the bad. Yes. So what can be your own contribution concerning the industry, how things they go, your advice? Drop it, make we know.
Okay, if you're talking about the content industry,
Yes.
my advice is I feel like people should challenge themselves to create something that that has positive impact. The thing is, it's the easiest thing anyone can do is to be nonchalant and to make dumb things. Why that can be entertaining, it has negative effects on and influence on the young generation. I feel that people should challenge themselves to use social media to create positive impact and as a tool for national developments by sharing important stories, by sharing unique perspective of Africa. You know, there are so many interesting things people could use social media for, but I think that some people are just lazy, that they do not want to commit themselves to things like that, because maybe in the beginning things like that don't usually get a lot of attention compared to when you just want to make cruise and entertain people. So I feel that there's still so many gaps left in the content industry, especially in Africa. So many gaps to be filled. So this is just my advice. Young
All right.
people, young Nigerians, challenge your minds. There's still so much to do. There are still so many niche that has been untapped in the content industry. Everything doesn't always have to be cruise, using people's name and using people's fame to ride. You know, there's so many other beautiful things that people could use social media for.
All right. I mean, I even remember this guy. That's lucky for you. And of course, if you catch Lucky up, what should be your handle again, bros?
I am Treater.
I am Twitter, right?
Yeah.
And of course, Lucky Udu on top of Instagram. Any other platform, Lucky, where you like people catch you on top?
YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, these are my major platforms.
All right. You already know, Lucky, they tell stories where they uplift people, where they cause positive change on top of in platforms. Yes, survival stories, life lesson stories, now focus. And in the ABG like this, but in they connect with us through social media, Skype.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.